Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. For today's video, I'll be doing some simple nude nails. I had to shape these nails to get this particular look, but it's a very simple and a very easy tutorial today. Usually you start off by using your base coat, adding your base coat, but I did not put any base coat because I'm just making these nails for myself, so I'm not adding any base coat. So I'm just adding the nude color nail polish, gel polish, as you can see, and once I'm through, I will cure that under my lamp for about 60 seconds. I usually cure it for more than 60 seconds just to make sure that it is dry, because I'll be adding 2 coats, so you want to make sure that it's dry before you put them on. So I usually cure like for about 90 seconds, and sometimes if I take it out and it doesn't feel as if it's dry, I will put it back again for another 30 seconds. So as I said, it's a very simple video today, but in my second video I'm basically going to show you how I transform these nails. So you can basically wear these nails for say 2 weeks, and then if you decide that you are tired of that plain look, you can actually add another pattern or another style to these nails. So for my next video, you do not want to miss it. I'm actually going to transform these nails into another style. I won't tell you what it is. You'll have to subscribe to see that, but you don't want to miss that video. Alright, so there I'm just adding my top coat. As I said, it's a very quick and easy video, so I'm just adding some top coat and then I'll be curing under my lamp for about 90 seconds, and that's basically it. So until next time guys, I'll see you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and continue watching my channel for more videos like this. Also, I'll be posting nail art ideas on my channel, so you'll definitely have to subscribe to see those as well. So until then, hope you do enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.